We have celebrated several exciting moments and events in the last decade at Lichtsinn RV. Here's a collection of our favorites from 2010 to 2019. We have experienced tremendous growth in our team. In 2010, we had about 25 members and have continued to add new members to our extremely talented team each year. In 2014, we celebrated the grand opening of our state-of-the-art RV sales building. In the last decade, we have continued expansion and now boast 8 RV service bays, a large indoor RV parts and camping store, spacious service check-in area, a video production studio, indoor delivery and service drive area, and a guest lounge equipped with the latest technology. In 2015, Lichtsinn RV was named the #1 Winnebago dealer in North America for sales volume by Winnebago Industries. And for the last 5 consecutive years, we have held the title. Lichtsinn RV has remained an industry leader in service support and guest experience. Each year of the decade, Winnebago has named Lichtsinn RV a Circle of Excellence winner, and we received the brand new Flying W Award in 2019. In addition to the largest Winnebago dealer in North America, Lichtsinn RV was named the largest motorhome dealer in Iowa each year of the decade by the RV Industry Reporting Company statistical surveys. Lichtsinn RV's We Care charitable giving program has donated and raised tens of thousands of dollars for local nonprofits, including North Iowa Muse Norris Hospice Facility, Forest City Community School District, Lake Mills Community School District, Forest City Emergency Services, the American Cancer Society, the Bowman Fine Arts Center, the Forest City Christmas Giving Tree Program, the Forest City YMCA, and several more. In 2017, 2018, and 2019, Lichtsinn RV made several press appearances, including trade publications like RV Pro and on the nationally broadcasted Going RV TV show. Lichtsinn RV was named Business of the Year in 2018 by the Four-City Chamber of Commerce. "2019 was a historic year for Lichtsinn RV. We celebrated our 40th year proudly selling Winnebago Industries motorhomes. This decade was an exciting one at Lichtsinn RV. We would like to thank all of our guests and team members for making it a great one. We are looking forward to the next 10 years.